Woo! That's right, y'all look at that, boys. Look what old Toppy's done went and done. We'll let y'all hear it in just a minute. You stay with me. I got the old 18-inch Trumpet on the bike right there. Looks mighty sweet. Got her mounted. Y'all listen to this right here, boys. Y'all ready? Woo! That's right. Make you jump, son. I guarantee you, if that right there don't get their attention and get them out of your way, won't nothing. But I had to show y'all boys that. No air horn Toppy. Custom made on there, boys. Sweet. Worked out just right. That's right. Catch y'all later.